Well, here I am in the Rabbit. I'm going to fire this up so I can go fire up the Crown Vic. See if she starts. A little smoky, no big deal. Reverse. There we go. Alright, sweet. Let's get to firing it up. Well, I got out here and I popped the hood and it already had a battery in it. I don't know if it's any good. Well, I guess we'll find out. See any flat tires, that's a good sign. Oh, well, this thing hasn't been run in probably a few months. Don't know exactly how long, but damn bug. Prime a few times. Should be gas in the tank. And one more for good luck. Well, switch batteries, I guess. Try her again. Alright, take two. Come on, baby. Almost. Alright, we'll prime her again a few times. I know she got gas in her. She'll run. Oh, damn. Almost. Cocksucker, start. At least I got a good battery. Haha. Oh, it's done. Not bad for sitting for a few months. It looks like there was a little smoke. Let her run for too long because I don't think I ever put any coolant in it. I think I overheated it last time a little bit. But she runs. Sweet. Get the battery out of the way. Take her out for a little joyride.